Okay, students, good afternoon. Good afternoon to everybody. Okay, we are going to three-column cash book. This three-column cash book have we are doing the problem number 14 is an yesterday completed. Now we are going to discussing about the problem number 15. Okay, now students, first of all, read the question. What is the prepare three-column cash book? Okay, now 2018 June 1st. Cash in hand 12,500, cash at bank 14,800. Okay. Third date cash sales 3,000. Or which date that? Third date cash sales 3,000 rupees is there. Next one is what? Purchased goods from Ashok, paid for check 5,000. Isn't it? Purchased goods from Ashok, paid per check 5,000 rupees given now. Okay now. Next 10th date cash paid into bank. What is there? Here is a bank and cash both is there. So bank and cash both is there. This time we can prepare what? Contra entry. Isn't it? So 10th one is a what students here? Contra entry. Okay. Now 12th date cash paid to Lakshmi 1850. Okay now cash paid to Lakshmi 1850. Discount received 240 rupees. What we can receive here? Discount received 240. Now 16th date cash withdrawn from bank for office use. Here is an also bank and cash withdrawn from office use. It is not personal use. We can do doing the personal use. We cannot write the contra entry. You can withdraw the cash from bank for office use. Okay now, that's why here is a cash and bank both is there. Now we have take the contra entry. It is in a 16th date also, isn't it? Your first one is 10th date is in contra entry and 16th date is also contra entry students. Now 19th sold machinery and amount received through Paytm. Okay now, we can sold the machinery. That amount how it is comes now? Paytm. You can pay the Paytm. That amount is comes in a bank account. Okay now. Now 25th advertisement expenses 150 rupees. 20th date is what given? Received check from Vishnu 1980 rupees. Discount allowed 120 rupees is there. Okay now. Received check from Vishnu. Who is the giver? Vishnu is the giver. Bank is and receive the check here. So discount giving discount allowed. Okay na? That is 120. Business can giving the discount 120 rupees. And another one check deposit into bank. So Vishnu giving check at the same day business can deposit the bank. At the same day business can deposit the bank friends. Okay now. For example, we are not deposited same day. That is a problem for me. Why? Because that the same day is not going the check to bank. We don't write in bank column. Okay now. We can write to cash column. Why? Because same day is not going the check. That amount is in our hand now. That's why we can record a cash column. But here is same day going check. We can write the bank column. Okay now. For example, not going the check. This time next day we can deposit it. That's time what is comes in here? We can come. What is comes the students? That is contra entry also we can record on that time. So here is no problem. We can record directly. Okay now. Now next one is salaries paid by check. What we can pay? Salaries. How we can pay students here? By check only. What is the amount? 3,280 rupees is it. This is the business transactions. We can record into 3-column cash book. Now first of all we can take the 3-column cash book format. Okay friends, you can take the 3-column cash book format now. Yes, first one is first column is what friends here? Date. Is a date now. Now second one is an particulars, particular citizen. Next one is LF, LF, and next one is cash. Okay. Citizen cash, friends. Okay, now we are going to next one. Bank. Bank common and discount allowed. Discount allowed amount we can take in here. And another one is date. We'll take the date. Next one, particulars. You can write here particulars. Now we can take LF. You can take here LF and cash amount. Here is a cash, and here is a bank and discount received column. This is a 3-column cash book format. Now credit side, left side, right side is in credit, and left side is in what? Debit here, isn't it? What we can write here? 3-column cash book. Cash book. You can write now cash book. Okay. Now write down what is the in column have. First one is date, particulars, LF, cash, bank, discount allowed. DA means what? Discount allowed. Okay now. Next one is date, particulars. Okay. Now LF, cash, bank, discount received. This is the 3-column cash book format. Now we are going to record the cash transactions and bank transactions. We can receive the cash and bank, we can record the debit side. Now we can pay the cash or bank, then we can record into credit side, friends. So cash we can receive, we can record into debit side. Cash we can pay, we can record into credit side. Okay now let us see what is the first transaction here. 2018 June 1st, cash in hand 12,500, cash at bank 14,800 rupees is there. Okay now, they have not giving the debit and credit. For example, there is given the credit, we can record into credit side. Okay now, this goes to credit balance. Now here is not given the debit and credit, only given cash in hand and cash at bank. Both are is what? Cash opening balance and bank opening balance is there. What is that? Cash opening balance and bank opening balance. How we can write that, friends? Let us see. 2018 June 1st. How we can write that? 2018 June 1st to balance brought down. Isn't it right? Balance brought down. So what is the cash brought down amount? 12,500 rupees is in cash and 14,800 rupees is in bank students. Okay na? 12,500 is cash, 14,800 is in bank. Both are cash and bank, both are opening balances is debit side only. Okay na students? Now another one. Third date, cash sales 3,000 rupees. We are doing the sales. This time what is comes in the business? Cash is comes in the business. We are doing the sales. This time cash is comes in the business. Now which side we can record now? Debit side. Why? Because cash is we can receive. How we can receive that? We are doing the sales. Okay now. Now we can write that third date to sales account. Sales account. This comes by cash only. What is amount that 3,000 rupees? We can record into cash column only. Why? Because we can receive the cash. That's why we can record the cash column. Okay now. Now next one is 7th date. Purchased goods from Ashok. Paid for check 5,000 rupees. We can purchase the goods. Okay now. Can purchase the goods. Who is the receiver that over there to purchase someone? We can purchase the goods from Ashok. Ashok is an giver, isn't it? So Ashok is an giver. What we can purchase goods only. That name is not given. So that amount we can pay check amount. We can give the check. Who is the giving that cash? Bank is giving. This time cash is goes out or comes in. Cash is goes out. Then we can record it to which side? Credit side. How we can record that? By purchases account or cash account. We can already pay the check or cash. We don't write here person name. Isn't it? We can pay the cash or check. We don't write the person name. What we can write? Purchases we can write only. Isn't it? We can write only what? Purchases. What is the date that 2018? Okay now. June 7th. What is the date? June 7th. By purchases account. Purchases account. What is the value of purchases, friends? 5,000. It is giving the check only. So that's why we can record into which column, friends? It is in a bank column. We can record into 5,000 rupees. We can record into which column? Bank column. 5,000 rupees is there. Okay now, friends. Why? Because you can pay the check only, not pay the cash. Okay now, we can pay the cash. We can record into cash column. We can pay the check. We can record into bank column, friends. That's why we can record a bank column. Next, 10th date. Cash paid to bank. What we can pay? Cash paid into bank. So we can pay the cash. Who is the receiver here? Bank is a receiver. Isn't it? Bank is a receiver, business is a giver. So this time, what is how we can write the general entry? It is in first. Why? Because we can write that contra entry. So how we can write? We can doing the general entry. So we can see the general entry. How we can recall debit and credit side? We can understood now. Just write our first general entry. So bank is a receiver. That's why we can write bank account debit. Okay, now friends. To cash account. So bank account debit to cash account. Bank is showing the debit side, cash is showing the credit side. Then we can also record bank is debit and cash is what? Credit now. So let us write down date 10th date to bank column have we can write 1800 rupees. Bank column have we can write 1800. At the same date credit side, at the same date credit side, we can record cash column have an 1800 rupees is there. Cash is credit and bank is debit. It's clear now. Now how we can record that cash account have, don't write cash. Bank account have and also we don't write bank. Now bank account have we can what write to cash account. To cash account. So it is what? Contra entry. LF column have we can write C. Isn't it? Here is cash. Now we can write here bank account. Isn't it? LF column have we can write the C. C means what? Contra entry. So only single transaction we can write debit and credit side is there. You can write which side? Debit side and credit side. That is called contra entry. Okay, friends. Now we are going to 12th date. Cash paid to Lakshmi 1850. Discount received 240 rupees. So what we can pay cash we can pay. We means business can pay the cash. Who is receive that cash amount? Lakshmi is an receiver. Okay now this time what is goes out? Cash is goes out the business, isn't it? Cash is a payment. Now we can record into which side, friends? We can record into credit side. Why? Because cash is goes out. How we can record that? 12th date. Who is received that cash? Lakshmi is and receive. Isn't it? Lakshmi is and receive. That's why we can write by Lakshmi account. Lakshmi account. What is the amount of cash? 1850 is in cash amount. 1850 is in cash amount. Discount received amount is 240. Discount received is credit side is there. Why? Because discount is an income. Okay now, that's why we can write credit side discount is column 240 rupees. Okay students. So cash withdrawn, cash paid to Lakshmi 1850. Discount received 240. So cash column we can record 1850. Discount received column we can record the 240 rupees is there. Okay. Now next one, 16th date. Cash withdrawn from bank for office use. Okay students. Cash we can withdraw. Okay now. Which purpose we can withdraw? Office purpose we can withdraw. Okay now. Who is giving the cash here? Bank is giving the cash. Okay now, bank is giving the cash. This time bank is a giver. All givers is goes to creditor. What is comes in the business, friends? Here cash is comes in. So then how we can write that general entry, friends? How we can write that general entry? So cash is comes in. That's why cash is debit. Cash account debit to bank account. Cash account debit to bank account. So cash is showing the debit side, bank is showing the credit side. That's why we can record into cash is in debit column, bank is in credit column. Isn't it? Cash is in debit column and bank is in credit column. Okay now write down what is the date that 12th date. 12th date 2. Cash is what, friends? Here 2000 rupees. We can record it to debit side. Cash column 2000 rupees. Isn't it? At the same date. At the same date. It is 16th date, friends. Sorry. 16th date. At the same date, 16th date, we can record credit side also. Which side we can record the cash? Who is giving the cash? Bank is giving. That's why we can record bank column have 2000 rupees. Debit side we can record cash column 2000. Credit side we can record bank column 2000. Why? Because bank is giving, cash is receiving now. That's why receiving is a debit, giving is a credit. So how we can write that? So cash account have, we don't write cash. That's why we can write here to bank account. To bank account. At the same time, bank account have, we don't write bank. Now what we can write? By cash account. Isn't it? By cash account. It is in what? Contra entry. Why we can write here contra entry? Left column have, why we can write C? C means at the same date only one transaction we can record the debit and credit side. That's showing the LF column having C. C means what? Contra entry here. Isn't it? That is the cash withdrawn from bank for office use. Okay friends. Now next one, 19th date. Sold machinery and amount received through Paytm. Okay, now we can sold the machinery, but he is not giving the cash and not giving the check. What he can doing? Paytm through send the amount. It is in which transaction? It is in bank transaction. Paytm means what, friends? Here bank transaction. So bank have debit card transaction is there, credit card transaction is there, Paytm transaction, Google Pay transaction, Phone Pay transaction, isn't it? And net banking transaction and also check transaction is there. So bank is so many times cash transaction doing now. So cash transaction doing. That's when we can understood. There is given debit card, credit card, Paytm, Google Pay, Phone Pay, net banking, check. This is giving the words we can record into that amount is in a bank column. That amount is in we can record which column friends? Bank column 100%. So that's why here sold machinery. What is that? Machinery we can sold. What is comes in the bank? Cash is comes in. Which purpose comes in? Paytm purpose comes in. So what we can sold here? Machinery we can sold, isn't it? So machinery is and goes out, amount is and comes in. That's why we can record into which side? Debit side. Okay. Debit side 19th date write down stands to machinery account. What is that? Machinery account. What is the amount of Paytm? 2,400. We can record into bank column 2,400 rupees is there. Why? Because Paytm transaction is a bank transaction. That's why we can record a bank column, friends. Okay, now we are going to 25th date. Advertisement expenses 150. What we are doing? Advertisement expenses. How we can do that expenses, friends? By cash only. Okay, now small expenses 100% we are doing the cash only. So then here is also we are doing the advertisement expenses cash only. Okay, now this time what is goes out the business? Cash is goes out. Okay, now what is goes out? Cash is goes out. Then we can record into which side? Credit side we can record now. Which side we can record? Credit side we can record now. Let us write down credit side. The date is 25th date. By advertisement expenses, isn't it? Advertisement expenses. That amount is in a cash column. Have we can write 150 rupees. Which column we can take in a cash column only? We can take in a 150 rupees, friends. Okay, now next one is received check from Vishnu. 1980 discount allowed 120. Okay, na? Check deposited into bank. At the same day, check is and deposited into bank. Okay, na? So that's how we can record that this amount we can record only bank column. Why? Because check is same day deposited, then we can record into amount is in bank column. For example, same day you cannot deposit the check, we can write that amount is in a cash column. Why? Because that day not is that day cash is not goes to bank now. That's why we can record into cash column. Okay, now one more time we can write the contra entry also. Why? Because next day we can deposit it now. That day we can write that day we can write the contra entry. But here is no problem is there. Why? Because received check from Vishnu, discount allowed giving, and check at the same day, check sent to the bank. That's why it is no transaction formalities. Just very simply we can record that. Which date? That 28th date. Okay, now what we can receive here? Check we can receive. So then bank is an receiver. So we can record into which column? Bank column. Who is the giver here? Vishnu is an giver. Vishnu account, isn't it? Which account, friends, here? Vishnu account. Okay, what is giving? Check is giving. So then we can record into amount is in a bank column. What is the amount? That 1980 rupees giving the check. So any discount is there? Exactly. Discount allowed is 120 rupees. Discount allowed is one of the expense. We can record it to discount allowed column 120 rupees is there. Okay, now so same day deposit check we can write only single time. Very simply it is completed. So we cannot deposit the check. It is comes 3 times, friends. It comes how many times? 3 times. So at the same day we can deposit it comes we can get only single time. Okay now we can see compulsory check is deposited or we can see not see that one, then we can clarify that. Okay, next one 30th, salary is paid by check. What we can pay students here? Salaries we can pay. Okay na, salaries we can pay check. This time who is giving the amount students? Bank is giving the amount. What giving? Salary is giving. This time cash is goes out now. That's why we can record it which side? Credit side we can record. How we can record that? Date 30 date by salaries account. What is that? By salaries account. We can give the salaries by check. Then we can record it which column? Bank column. What is the amount? 3,280 rupees. What is the amount that? 3,280. Okay friends, this is the business transactions. We can record in all payments is on credit side, all receipts is on debit side. It is an either cash or bank. We can receive debit side, either cash or bank. We can pay record credit side friends. Okay now, this is an recording 3-column cash book. Now finally, what we can do? We can make the balance carry down. What we can make now? Balance carry down. How we can make that? June last date is what? 30 by balance carried on. This time first of all we are doing the debit side total. Why? Because debit side is an opening balance and heavy balance is there now. That's why we are doing the total amount of debit side. What is the discount? 120. So first column 0, 8, only 8 rupees. 9 plus 4, 13. 13 plus 3, 21. 13 plus 3, 21. 21 plus 3, 21 plus 8, 29. 2 and 9. So 4 plus 1, 5 plus 2. 7 plus 1, 8 plus 2, 10. 0. 1 plus 1, 2. 20,980 rupees is a bank debit total amount. 20,890. Sorry, 980. So cash amount let us say. First column 0. Second column also 0. Third column having 5. So next column 3 plus 2, 5 plus 2, 7. And what is there? 1. 17,500 rupees is in a cash column. Okay now. Now we are going to balance carry down. First cash account, then after we are doing bank account. So let us see first cash. Cash. What is the formula? Debit minus credit is equal to carry down. What is the debit cash amount? 17,500 rupees minus what is the debit amount of cash? Let us see. First column 0, second column 5 plus 5, 10. Third column 8 plus 8, 16 plus 1, 17 plus 1, 19. 1, 2 plus 1, 3. 3,900 rupees. Okay now? 3,900. That is equal to 0 minus 0, 0. 0 minus 0, 0. Take 10 by arrow. 15 minus 9, 6. 6 minus 3, 3. And 1. What is the amount that? 13,000. 13,600 rupees is there. Let us see friends. Minus 17,500. 0, 0. Take 10 by arrow. 15 minus 7 is how much? 6 only now. 6 minus 3, 3 and 1. 13,600 is the correct answer. Write down balance carried on. 13,600 rupees is cash balance carried on. Now we are going to bank. bank. What is the bank debit total? 20,980. Now we are doing the bank amount. 5,000 plus 2,000, 7,000 plus 3,000, 10. 10 plus 280, 10,280 minus 10,280. That equals to 0 minus 0, 0, 8 minus 8 is 0, 9 minus 2, 7, 10 minus 20 minus 10, 10, 10,700 rupees. That is bank carried on amount, 10,700. Now we are doing the total amount of cash, bank and discount. Discount dividend is 240. Bank is 20,980. Cash is 17,500. Okay, students. Now we are going to June after July. July 1st to balance breakdown. What is amount there? 13,600 and 10,700. This is the next month opening balance of the cash and bank. So cash amount is before year is 12,500 rupees is there. Now present is what? 13,600. Cash amount is an increased 1,100 rupees only. Cash amount is an increased how much amount? 1,100 rupees. Now bank amount is in what? Opening 14,800. Now present value is how much? 10,700 only. That minus value is how much? 3,100 rupees is an extra payment of the bank amount. Okay, now friend, extra payment of the bank amount. That's why bank amount is deducting 3,100 rupees. Now cash amount is an increased 1,100 rupees is there. Okay, now so this 13,600 and 10,700 rupees is next month July cash or bank 3 column cash book have opening balance of the 13,600 cash, 10,700 rupees is bank, students. Okay, now this is the problem number 15, students. It is completed. Now we are going to meet tomorrow onwards next 16th problem. Okay, students. Thank you and thank you so much.